How to request signatures in Adobe eSign. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this, just open up your Adobe eSign account, and on the home page itself you will be able to find this option of request e-signatures. Just simply click on it and wait for it to load. After that, you need to enter the recipient's email address over here. Then you can type the agreement name and also type the message which is associated with this particular document. You can attach the file or the document over here, and in case if you want to add more than one recipient, then just simply click on this option of add recipient group. And you can also set the order of getting the signatures by just enabling this option, and this way you would also be able to get the signatures in a particular order. And this is how you request signatures in Adobe eSign. I hope you like this video. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.